Hello, my name is Leslie Lee with Aesthetic Creator, and today we're going to talk about Sculptra. So you've probably seen it all over now. Sculptra is a biostimulator. It is actually polylactic acid, and what it is it's a particle that actually helps you build collagen. So basically, when you come in, obviously we do the photos and we kind of do all of the different things that we need, but a lot of times people, they're scared of your standard, hyaluronic acid dermal filler, right? So Sculptra is known to be a little bit more natural, right? So it still acts like a filler, but it's stimulating your own collagen to actually build, to kind of give you back that volume. So Sculptra has been around since the late 90s, and it was actually used in AIDS patients who had the wasting syndrome. So basically their face would get really gaunt and they would just not look like themselves. So Sculptra was then injected to kind of help stimulate that collagen. So Sculptra lasts 2 to 5 years depending on the patient, and we do Sculptra in a lot of different areas. So a lot of times for me, like I'm doing it in the lateral face because that kind of helps pull here, and then kind of in the temples. But when you come in, we do the injections, and then you kind of get a natural glow right away because we're injecting the particles plus a little bit of what we mix it with is sodium chloride and then a little bit of lidocaine. So we're actually hydrating you a ton. So your skin looks great like right away, and then it kind of all goes away. And then about 6 weeks later, we're doing a second treatment. And then I would say it can last, take a good 3 months after your last treatment up to 6 months to kind of get that full result from patients. And so I think as long as you're patient with it, it's beautiful. Like, it's just like that expectation has to be that, okay, I'm going in to do this treatment and this is a long-term goal, right? We're doing this because we're trying to build our own collagen. It's more natural. We're doing these things with the intention that in 3 months or 6 months, I'm going to look better. So it's not your instant gratification like you get with a regular hyaluronic acid dermal filler. So I think that's really important for patients to understand, because again, we live in an instant gratification world and then we're like, well, it didn't do anything. And so the other thing that's really important with Sculptra is that the before and afters. Like, if you don't see yourself what you looked like before, it's such a gradual change over the next 6 months that you might look in the mirror and be like, I really don't see anything. So I think, again, when we think about like, weight gain, weight loss, kind of the transformation of the tissue or body transformations, like if we don't have that before picture that we started with, we then can't necessarily really fully grasp the change that has happened, in 6 months to a year. So I think like that's like one thing that's really just something to be aware of, because we see ourselves in the mirror every single day. So whether it's, you're using a new skincare line, you're doing Sculptra, you're adding, you're restoring volume, you're doing fillers, Botox, you're working out at the gym. Like, those pictures are so important for you to be able to give yourself credit for the changes that you've made. And that's true with aesthetics as well. We want to know where we started and then where we're going, but we want to see the progress along the way. So I think that with Sculptra, it's great because it's more, it's a biostimulator. It's saying, hi, like, wake up collagen. And it's good for kind of any age. Like, realistically, like, you can start it in your 30s, you can use it in your 60s. Like, it is definitely that kind of overall product that is really great for, kind of building your own collagen. So Sculptra is actually also used in the butt. So, I do little butt lifts with Sculptra. So we mix it, we put a lot of vials in it, but it does work. You will get bruising. So that's another thing to think about is, Sculptra, not always, but, you can get a nice bruise, like where we're injecting, right? Because we're putting a needle to the tissue. Again, you're gonna get, you possibly could get a bruise. One of the stories that I tell with Sculptra, because it's very personal to me, and my husband was super irritated with me, but I did a little bit in my butt because, like, you age, right? So, you have your babies, or, you don't, but you age and, your butt starts to fall, your face starts to fall, your knees start to fall. Like, Sculptra can kind of be used, I feel like, kind of anywhere. I've done it in arm, like scars. Like, there's just different areas where we can kind of add that back, right? So I wanted a little bit in my butt, and we were going to Costa Rica. like the next week. So I literally walked around with 2 identical bruises on each butt cheek. It looked like my husband had punched me in each cheek. But I loved it. Like Sculptra in the butt or in the face is so pretty because it kind of takes away that crepey look. Like it makes you just look a little bit better. You know, like our tissues change as we get older and they just don't look as like shiny and pretty. So Sculptra can also kind of give you that back. So not only can it give you a little bit of volume and kind of restore and help you build that collagen, but it can also kind of make your tissues just look a little bit younger and a little bit nicer. So when you're coming in, you know, with Sculptra actually takes a lot longer to prep than it does to actually inject, right? Because we have to mix the Sculptra, we have to like mix it in a certain way. It has to be stimulated. Like, so back probably like 2 years ago, maybe, you had to mix Sculptra at minimum 24 to 48 hours before you injected it because those particles, we wanted those to kind of, you know, dissipate. So we would, you know, mix the Sculptra, then you'd come in, we'd inject you, and then you'd kind of be on your way. They just changed the protocols maybe about 2 years ago that now we can, you know, mix it same day and inject it. So it's just important to kind of be aware of, you know, changes that are being made within the industry, right? Because everyone's always changing their protocol. Everyone's always changing the way that they do things. Maybe you should inject here and now you should inject here. Like everything's always changing. So it's important to know that your provider is actually doing the trainings to learn and that they also, like they enjoy doing it. Because I think that when you're doing something that you actually believe in and that you love, you're going to talk a little bit more about it. You're actually going to probably be a little bit better at it than, you know, if they don't really like it. So I think that that's just really important. So Sculptra is pretty easy. You know, you're going to come in. I'm going to schedule a little bit longer of an appointment because I have to draw it all up individually. You cannot add any lidocaine to a product prior to if you're mixing it because basically then we can't use it. We have to use it kind of immediately. So we mix it up and you're getting quite a bit of volume in there. So like 1 vial of Sculptra, usually we're doing 2, we're reconstituting it and we're actually adding about 9 mils into your face per vial. So, you know, that's important to kind of think about too. We're adding quite a bit of, you know, volume to your face. So something to think about as you're going in is, you know, you're possibly going to get bruising, you're possibly going to get swelling, you know, you're going to look great maybe, you know, obviously that bruise could be a distractor, but your skin's going to get a little bit of a glow and then it's all going to go away. And then it's not going to start to kind of build for that, you know, till that 6-week mark. And then you're going to do another treatment anyways. And then I would say after that, you know, that's when kind of the collagen stimulation happens and you start to see the results. So Sculptra has kind of been around for a really long time. I know it's definitely getting more of a buzz right now because it's more natural or it's a biostimulator, build your own collagen, kind of all the things, but it really has been around for quite a while. And Sculptra can be a little bit annoying to work with, I guess I could say, because, you know, like if it's not mixed properly, sometimes the needles will get clogged. So there's just different things, you know, like why some people will use Sculptra while they won't use it. It's a great product. It's beautiful, gives beautiful results. Again, very patient specific. We're probably not gonna, you know, add a ton to somebody who's already pretty full. And I use it a lot lateral face. So I think it's just important to kind of be aware of what product you're doing, why you're doing it. You know, it's easy to watch social media and say like, oh my gosh, I need Sculptra. Oh my gosh, I need this, I need this. And it's like, okay, maybe, but then finding a provider that you can sit down with and be like, okay, what do I actually need? What is it that I'm looking for? Is it maybe a little bit of Sculptra in the butt? Is it maybe a little Sculptra, you know, in the face? Maybe. So really just, again, taking the time to intentionally say, this is what I want to do. This is how I want to do it. This is how I want to age. So you'll come in, we'll do photos, we do the injections, and then you're kind of on your way. And actually, with one thing that I almost left out with Sculptra is there's the 5-5-5. So you're gonna massage for 5 minutes a day, 5 times a day, for 5 days. That's really important because you're working that in, right? And so Sculptra is kind of, you know, one of those things that definitely needs to be massaged. And the first day, I'll be honest with you, once the lidocaine wears off, I didn't want to massage. Like, it's not the most comfortable thing in the world. But really, it's helping kind of work into the tissue. Any little particles left are getting massaged out. So it's just, you know, paying attention to the rule. And so it's 5 minutes a day, 5 times a day for 5 days. That's how you're going to do your massage, and your provider will actually show you how and why and where to do the massage. So that's another important thing. So the post with Sculptra is a little bit more dependent and requires some action from you versus a regular filler where you kind of are just like, you know, peace out, we're done. You know, you might ice afterwards, but there's no protocol that you have to massage or do all the things, where Sculptra there is. And so I think it's just important to kind of know, like, do I have the time to do the massages? You know, what are the expectations? You know, what does that look like for you? So again, at Aesthetic Creator, we're trying to help you age with intention and gracefully, and trying to give you the results that you are looking for, so that when you look in the mirror, you feel like your best self.